Good afternoon, YouTube. Okay, here is the after. Alright. We have replaced the soil. We have added fresh soil, organic mix number 3. We repaired and redesigned the irrigation. As you can see, great double coverage with the rotors. And they opted to have grass go all the way up to the edge as opposed to having a barrier. I'm gonna avoid getting hit by a sprinkler. Let me get around to the other side so you can see over here. I need to use my slow motion camera. Whoa. There's another sprinkler. There is excellent double coverage. Looks like there's no way around it. So you can see the way we finished out the pool equipment area. Okay, so we got the sprinklers off there. So now you can check out the pool equipment area. This was an upgrade. They opted for the rock, which is the best finish for permanent. You don't want any weeds to come in around your pool equipment. So we make sure we take care of that properly. It's a brand new backyard. Thank you for checking out the video. Subscribe for more awesome before and after landscape videos. This was just the backyard. The next project that we have we'll be doing the front yard. Love to hear your comments on this project. Also, follow us on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care. Have a great weekend.